Managing Klarna financing requires a clear understanding of the payment options and terms provided by Klarna. To start, it is essential to understand that Klarna is a payment service that allows consumers to pay for purchases in installments or at a later date. The first step in managing Klarna financing is to review the payment terms and conditions. This includes understanding the payment schedule, interest rates, and any fees associated with late payments. It is crucial to read and understand the agreement before making a purchase. Once a purchase is made, the next step is to set up a payment plan. Klarna offers various payment options, including pay in 30 days, pay in 4 installments, and financing options. Consumers can choose the payment plan that best suits their needs and financial situation. To make payments, consumers can log into their Klarna account and select the payment method. Klarna accepts various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. It is essential to make payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. Another critical aspect of managing Klarna financing is monitoring the account. Consumers can track their payments, balances, and payment schedules through the Klarna app or website. This helps to ensure that payments are made on time and that the account is up to date. In case of any issues or concerns, consumers can contact Klarna customer support for assistance. Klarna provides various support options, including phone, email, and live chat. Consumers can also find answers to frequently asked questions on the Klarna website. Best practices for managing Klarna financing include making payments on time, monitoring the account regularly, and understanding the payment terms and conditions. By following these steps and best practices, consumers can effectively manage their Klarna financing and avoid any potential issues. In summary, managing Klarna financing requires a clear understanding of the payment terms and conditions. Setting up a payment plan, making payments on time, monitoring the account, and seeking support when needed. By following these steps, consumers can enjoy the benefits of Klarna financing while maintaining a healthy financial situation.